Welcome back to the channel. We got some stuff shipped in. Look what just came in from FCP Euro. Alright, we just got some wiper blades. Nothing big, but the Q5 needed some wiper blade changes, and we're gonna get them done now. Don't have a box cutter? Use a key. Alright, here we go. Alright, got the Bosch. So it has both blades in it, the 24-inch and the 20. Alright, and we also bought the rear. We got an extra set for later on. Alright. This is Navi. Here is Navi's issue. So turn on the wiper blades. You see all that scratching here in the glass? Maybe you can't see it properly. Members of blank passed away at the age of 79. But it's developing here. Trying to get rid of that. Let's set it up to do a replacement. So let's go to car, press car, initialize there, then we want to go to service, and then in service we want to set the wiper blade position to on for replacement. There we go. Alright, so this is the driver's side remnants of the wiper blade, so that's why we're changing. So once it's in the position, you can lift them up, because if they're not, then you won't be able to lift it because of the hood. It's very cold. All right, let's release these. Okay, so it's basically pushing that tab there and lifting it out. And there is no rubber here, because as you can see, it's right here. And let's get the other one. Let's lean over, push it in, slide it out. All right, now let's slide this in. There we go. It's one in. And that's it. Now let's put them back down. Turn off back to service position, and we're gonna change the service position back to off. There you go. Windshield is done. Here we go. Give it a test. And no streaks. As you can see, no streaks. No streaks on the windshield. Perfect. Almost forgot. We're supposed to change the rear. So there's no positioning with the vehicle. You just lift it up. As in wiper blades that you're gonna install. Here are the replacements from Bosch. Oh, battery died, so I had to come downstairs and replace the battery. Going back out. Don't need any tools. And it's just a matter of applying the right amount of force. So here, I just need to put my thumb and pop it out, just like that. And then I need to realign and pop it right back in. And that's it. That's how simple it was. So as I was saying, these wiper blades from FCP Euro don't require any tools. And the one, if you're buying the aftermarket ones that aren't Bosch or the genuine part from Audi, then you probably have to switch out the adapters, and that's why you'd have to use tools to then do that. Anyhow, we're done here. Let's see how clean we can get the glass when we turn the car on. So you can see the back glass. I am going to wipe it, let it run. All right, you can see how clean that looks. Oh, not bad. So now all I have to do is wash the car. All right, that's it. Wiper blade done on the Q5. Navi is set for the winter. All right, see you in the next one.